Hi, this is Jacob Anderson, and this video is about evaluating your drive belt and deciding if the drive belt needs to be replaced. So a good drive belt in brand new condition is going to be over a ½ inch wide when you measure across the top. If it's a ½ inch or less, replace it. Other things to look for would be any separation in the layers, any fraying, any cracks. Any of those things will be reasons to replace it. You can sometimes see separation on the outside as well, so you want to look it over. But the key thing with the Shopsmith is measuring this outside size. This one here I like. It starts at 0.58 inches wide, which is real nice, and it's also thick. It's extra thick, which is 0.35 thick. Now Shopsmith sells a belt. They just kind of work with the lowest bidder, and this is kind of a typical belt you buy from Shopsmith. And look at this, the width of it is just over a ½ inch, and the thickness is 0.34, so it's less thick. So what that translates into is less wear life. When they get a ½ inch or less in thickness and width, they can get pinched between the halves of your shiv. They can fall down in here between these fingers and get pinched, and then your shaft can't rotate. So that's one thing that's bad when they get a ½ inch or below. And also your speeds are off, because a brand new belt starts off with slow speed, set up pretty much like this. The belt is at the outer edge of the shiv, and as it wears narrower, now it's automatically down farther, and it's giving you different speeds. So when it gets below a ½ inch, your speeds are off. They can get pinched either in this shiv or in the motor shiv. Same thing, the motor shiv has the same fingers. So measure it, inspect the edges, inspect for any separation. If it's over 15 or 20 years old, I'd replace it anyway, because it's quite easy to replace. Now once in a while somebody tries to use an off-the-shelf belt, and I used to have to do that when Shopsmith was just about bankrupt. So this was the type of belt that I found, but look here, it's a little less than a ½ inch, and also the length of it is different. They're not the same exact length as the belts that fit the Shopsmith properly. So this is the best belt that I've found, even better than the typical one Shopsmith sells. They're $2 more than what Shopsmith charges through me. So I think it's the best belt. That's what I use on all machines. And you can buy this through my web store, access through my website. And when you buy these, you get access to a video that shows you how to do the replacement, but it's pretty easy. So here's how to get to my website. Still running. Here's the address for my website, jacobsrepairshop.com. Gives you all of the information about what I do, my services, my rates, my web store access to my YouTube videos, and for my full set of repair videos. So thank you.